Kelsey
and Kendra. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a chill video, just talking with you guys and sharing some quarantine glow up tips. We're going to be talking about the 6 ways to glow up during quarantine, meaning coming out better, looking better, feeling better. So we're just going to hop right into it.
So we naturally fell into all of these habits during quarantine, and we just figured that it would be the perfect glow up video. Okay, so tip number 1 is no makeup. So this is the perfect time for you to let your face breathe and not wear makeup because you ain't going nowhere.
Yes, only wear it when you really have to.
Yes, if you're doing the Zoom call for work, you want to take a couple of pictures for Instagram.
Yeah,
but mostly about 80% of the time you probably should not be wearing makeup.
And let your skin breathe, because this is the perfect time.
Yes,
especially after quarantine is over, we're all going to be trying to go out and do things, and we're going to be wearing makeup again. So
yes,
this is the perfect time to let your skin breathe and develop a skincare routine,
please.
So this is the perfect time to try out new products, because if something goes wrong, nobody ain't got to see you looking crazy.
That's true, because when I was trying out new products for like skincare routines, I would have to go out with like rashes on my face and stuff.
Because you have sensitive skin.
Because I have very sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this is the perfect time for you to try out new products, because you're not going anywhere.
Do your research.
Yes.
Figure out what your skin type is. Look
what your skin likes, what your skin needs.
This is the perfect time to watch like skincare videos. One of my favorite videos to watch are nighttime skincare routines. I'm obsessed with like that Harper's Bazaar series.
Me too. The Harper's Bazaar one, the Vogue one. I watch
that all the time. The Vogue one is good too. So get a daytime skincare routine and a nighttime skincare routine.
Yes.
And don't be intimidated by like the phrase skincare routine. It can be the simplest thing as far as just a cleanser and a moisturizer. Just get something that works for you. So this is the perfect time to develop that and be consistent, because once you develop a good skincare routine,
you need to stick to it.
Please don't switch up the product.
Yeah, you have to stick to it in order to see results. You're not going to see results if you keep switching things every week. Believe me, I know it don't work like that.
Yeah.
Most products, I think they take about maybe a month to like 2.5 to 3 months for you to completely see what the product does for your skin. So just be patient with your skincare routine.
Yes.
At least a month per product.
Yes.
See how it's doing for your skin. So yeah, get that skincare routine popping and stop wearing makeup, because you ain't going nowhere.
Okay, so number 2 is no heat and getting your natural hair healthier. So this is the perfect time to wear your natural hair, wear protective styles, stop wearing styles that are damaging to your hair. Stop putting heat in your hair. If you're putting a flat iron in your hair, the question for this whole video is, where are you going? So for me, I would feel like I'm wasting my time blow drying and flat ironing my hair, because it's a waste of heat. That's why when we do straighten our hair, it's very minimal. Try to give ourselves, you know, enough time in between when we wear our hair straight, so it's not too close together.
Yeah.
And when I see people straightening their hair like every other day, every 2-3 days,
every week,
it's very damaging to the hair. And we have a whole chapter in our book about no heat. So
first chapter,
if you have our book, then you know all about this. It's not good for your hair.
Yeah. So this is the perfect time to stay away from heat and just get to know your natural hair. This is the time where we should be becoming more comfortable with our natural selves.
Yes.
Like, just let everything breathe. Your hair, your skin, your nails, everything.
But your natural hair, I promise you, you'll start to feel more comfortable wearing your own hair the more you wear it. Because I remember when we first started wearing our natural hair like a decade ago, I was like, I look crazy.
Yeah. But because we were transitioning the whole like curl it and the straight ends. Yeah, this is the perfect time to try to braid out or twist out. Cornrows. I just braided my hair a week ago. It lasted me about a week. It was a week. About 7 days. It took me 2 hours to do it, but I still finished. Okay, so this is the perfect time to try out different things for your hair and see how you like it. So just, you know, give your own hair some love. If you wear wigs, if you wear sew-ins, it's okay. Cut it out for right now. Just give your hair the TLC that it truly needs right now.
So if you don't have a hair routine, get one.
Please.
Just like the skincare routine, get a hair routine. Perfect time to develop one. Make sure there's a deep conditioner in there. This is the perfect time to deep condition your hair like crazy.
Yes.
Because again, where are you going?
Okay, so number 3 is something that's super simple, but it makes the biggest difference. Drinking hot lemon water and or teas. So hot lemon water is especially important right now.
It's very cleansing. It's a good detox.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's very cleansing. You're gonna be going to the bathroom. Drinking hot lemon water is essential anyway, but especially during this time because of the vitamin C that's in lemons, and specifically make sure that it's hot lemon water. You can drink regular lemon water,
but it's more effective if it's hot.
If it's hot, yeah, it is.
And I personally like hot lemon water just because I just feel like Kelsey said, like I'm cleansing like my insides. It just feels really good. So if you're not a tea person, then start with hot lemon water and then work your way to tea. I love both. I like rotate both throughout the day. So I'll drink hot lemon water or I'll drink hot tea, and sometimes I'll add lemon to my tea. Yes, I'll do both. So you can combine the two. So there's so many teas out there to choose from. I know some people think that there's only green tea, black tea. Y'all, there's so many teas to choose from nowadays that I feel like anybody can find a tea that they actually like and enjoy it. So also it's a really easy way to get your water intake in, because technically you're drinking hot water. When I didn't think about it like this because I'm like, isn't it tea?
It's water though.
It was water before, right?
Exactly, it's infused water, but hot.
Okay, so number 4 is eat at least 1 fruit and veggie a day. We know this should go without saying, like eat your veggies, but a lot of people don't eat the fruits and vegetables like they should. So at least 1 veggie a day, I promise. Like my mama used to say, 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. And she was so right, because I feel like crap when I don't eat vegetables and fruit. So this is the perfect time to start upping your fruit and veggie intake. Obviously, we're not gonna be perfect. We are not eating perfect during this quarantine because we're stuck at home, and it's the perfect time to eat comfort food. We completely understand it because we've been doing it too. But we also have been incorporating at least 1 veggie in at least one of our meals a day. It's usually dinner. Fruit is easy to incorporate that into breakfast. So at least 1, that's so doable for any and everybody. I know everybody likes at least 1 fruit
and 1 vegetable.
1 vegetable. And if you don't, I promise it's a better option than being sick. So
facts. Okay, number 5, rebuild your nails. So this is a perfect time to incorporate nail health in your routine and let your nails breathe. I know most of us, about 80% of women in the world, get our nails done every 2 weeks or once a month. But this is the perfect time to let your nails breathe. Put on some nail strengthening products, cuticle oil. Take your biotin. I promise you they make your nails grow super fast.
Omega-3 also.
Omega-3. So this is the perfect time to focus on your nail health and just let them breathe. Like, it's crazy to me that people are still getting their nails done. Like, that's not essential, people. I know that's a business for some people and some people rely on that, but our health is more important right now than getting your nails done. So just keep that in mind if you like invite people over to do your nails. I don't care if they're wearing a mask, gloves, whatever. I just think it's irresponsible.
I think so too.
I don't per se love getting my nails done, but I love having them done. And I've been, you know, fine without them lately, and I've actually been enjoying seeing my own real nails for a change, because I feel like they're breathing, they're getting back healthier, because we've been getting our nails done for years. I realized the damage that they did to our nails. After this is over, we're going back to get our nails done. Probably, but they just make your nail beds weaker, thin, break super easy. So this is, I think this low-key is a time for God to tell everybody to get comfortable with themselves. Because I agree. You shouldn't always rely on other people to keep you together. You need to keep you together.
I agree.
Okay? Go on Amazon, get some gel nail kits, whatever. Figure it out. Get some press-on nails. Figure it out. They rely too much on other people. It's just insane to me.
I agree.
It's too many tutorials out there on YouTube.
And technically it's called self-care for a reason, because you're supposed to do it yourself. Over the years, everything that everybody feel like they have to get right now, it has become a luxury.
That's so true. It's not essential.
Getting your nails done. I understand wanting your hair done, but again, you can figure that out at home. Like, honestly, when you don't have a choice, you just figure it out. And I personally feel like getting your nails done during this time is literally like the wackest thing you could be doing. Okay, so last but not least, number 6. This one is the last one, but the most important one to us, and it's working on your spiritual journey. So this is the perfect time to get closer to God, talk to God, pray a lot. That helps me. I pray every day.
I do too. Honestly, praying is just basically a conversation with God. So this is the perfect time to do that and develop a relationship with God. A relationship with God is very personal to you, so don't let anybody judge you on your own spiritual journey when it comes to your relationship with God. Everybody's journey is different.
But I promise you, prayer helps a ton. Like, I wouldn't be able to get through this pandemic right now so far without God. Like,
yeah,
I just don't know what people do without him. He's literally our strength. Like, he lifts us up. So I personally think that this is the perfect time to strengthen that relationship with him.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, he's in control of everything. So at this point, if he's not your source right now, then like I feel like you're gonna like sink deeper and deeper into like that dark place that you were in before, and he's literally the answer to everything.
Yeah, to kind of pull you out of it. Also, in correlation with this, to me, this is the perfect time to get some self-help books that help with anxiety and depression. So to me, these correlate together because it's all a spiritual journey and something that really helps with your mental health.
I have a lot of self-help books that I finished that are really good. So I suggest, obviously reading the Bible is a great option, but I'm not gonna lie, I get a little sleepy reading it because certain parts are kind of boring. I'm just gonna be honest. So I do read my Bible still. I still read it because I'm telling you, there's some gems in there that just be popping out at you when you need to read it. Like, you see it the perfect time you need to see it.
Yeah.
Kind of like watching a Joel Osteen sermon. Like, I don't know why, he just be speaking to me.
Yeah. A good way to start reading the Bible too, though, is getting devotional books. And they'll have like passages from the Bible in that book that correlate with a certain situation.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
That's a good way.
And then you can go find that scripture, read it, and can speak to you in a way.
Yeah.
Versus just starting from the beginning to end. Because I ain't gonna lie, I tried to start reading the Bible. I'm not quite there yet.
I read mine. But some other self-help books I wanted to suggest or recommend, just in case, because some people might ask. So The Alchemist is incredible. I just finished it. So good. The Four Agreements. The Secret, of course. I would say those top three.
Those are top three.
Those are my top three self-help books so far.
I really want to read The Alchemist because every time she's already done reading it, but when she was reading it, she would always have different gems in there, and she would read it to me, and it would just make me think in a completely different way, or a way that I probably would have been thinking if I wasn't being so negative. So yeah, they're very, very helpful, especially if you're a pessimist or
a realist
like us, because we're very much realist people, and some people can confuse that with being pessimist.
But I have to like read those kind of books to keep myself in good spirits.
Yeah, me too, for sure. Another good one that I just started is called Care Package. It's a really good book. I've randomly found it through research. It's a really good book that I just started, so if you want to like read that one and try it, see how you like it. Okay, so that completes this video. We hope these 6 tips are helpful for you guys. We hope that you at least try 3 of them. I'm telling you, they will make a very big difference. So work on your outer self, and also working on your inner self will really help you during this time. It has helped us a ton. We didn't mention working out because we be on and off with that. I know that probably helps a lot of people. Exercise is something that helps a lot of people. If you guys have anything that you've been doing that's been helping you during this time that can help everyone else, please share with all of us. This is a sharing space because these 6 tips have really been helping for us. So yeah, once again, we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see y'all next time.